I'm Brett Williams, the Senior Vice President of Engineering and Certification here at TrueBlue Power. I'm coming to you today from our new EMI chamber, which is part of our Engineering Test and Development Lab, where we design and certify all of our cool new products. Those cool new products come from the combination of new technologies and new places where the aviation industry is headed. Those places look like AAM, eVTOL, and all-electric aircraft. They're pushing the boundaries of technology to increase voltage and increase the utility of the aircraft by reducing its weight. That's where the TC6500 comes in. It allows 270 volts in and converts it to 28 volts out to power things like avionics, servo motors, actuators, and all the others. The TC6500 is our most power-dense product yet. It's super compact and puts a ton of power into a small space. It allows that 270 volts to 28 volt conversion to happen easily and seamlessly, being able to be installed inside the pressure vessel, outside the pressure vessel, or anywhere within the aircraft. At just over 10 pounds and 96% efficiency, this box really packs a punch. 6,500 watts is enough to power 4 high-power microwaves and then some. And if that's not enough, our 110% overload capability gives you up to 7,000 watts. And if you need even more, then you can put them in parallel to give you all the DC power you can possibly imagine. The TC6500 will be TSO certified, on the shelf, and available to you in the second quarter of this year. If you have any questions, give us a call at TrueBlue Power.